Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use live wallpaper on your iPhone and iPad after any iOS update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest iOS version and you want to get live wallpaper on your iPhone, so now let me show you here. I have updated my device to the latest version like iOS 17. So let me show you here guys. Now I'm going to tap on about and you can see here guys I have updated my device to the iOS 17. Okay guys, if you have updated your device iOS 17 or in iOS 16 and want to get live wallpaper and want to use it on your home screen or your lock screen, then I'll show you how can you do it very easily. So first of all guys, let me show you here if live wallpaper is available in iOS 17 or not. Let me show you here guys. You can see here guys, it's nothing here. So how can you use live wallpaper? Just simply you have to open App Store and just simply you have to search for the app live wallpaper and you can see this type of app. Here it is guys, just simply you have to open this app and wait some second from here guys. Now after that you have to tap on this cross icon. Now from here guys, let me show you here. Here is the live wallpaper. Now guys, if you want to use this live wallpaper, here are the live wallpapers, so you have to wait some seconds or tap on this three lines and you can see here guys. Let me show you here guys. Now as you can see guys, here is the wallpaper like this, so you can use this wallpaper by following this way. So let me tell you that if you want to use all of these wallpaper, tap on get this wallpaper and you have to pay 3,150 rupees per year. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.